Hello guys, welcome to Techno Solution. Who's standing here is Master Ashura or Meshak. I would like to share some of a phone that have been passed by another technician or other technicians. What I got here is a Y9 Prime 2019. This phone looks like the connector has a problem with it. Let me show you. Here is the connector. There's a problem with the connector. This phone passed by an Indian guy, the last person, and he claims that he didn't destroy here, touching it. Even the customer claims so. I did this video to show other technicians that we can face which consequences, but usually after I opened this device, I realized there's a problem with this, and I charged customer for this. I would like to change this connector right now without no installation mark. Let's jump through the video. There is the video. I will do everything while you are watching me. I will not say too much, but I'll be concentrating only on the phone. I will not tell you what am I doing, because it needs too much concentration. If you are a technician, I recommend you don't do this. Just keep away your air station, and the heat you must use it a 370 heat. That is the good one, or 350. If you are a beginner, I don't recommend you to do this. Even there's another technicians who cannot fit even the charging system. I don't recommend you to do this because you will mess up somewhat devices. Now I will take this connector from another charge board. For if you know this charge board, just know that it can match with Y9 Prime if you are a technician. Now it looks like I have already done with the connector. Now will be the time to me to fit the screen or to check. I don't have any multimeter here. Let me go and take the multimeter to check. Let me clean the connector to verify. Guys, I'm checking the screen. Did I fit the screen properly, or I just did the error? It's nice, it's easy. Guys, there is your phone. It's okay. There's your phone, is super. Please share and like this video so that I can release more. Thank you.